Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Talisha, also known as CreativiTeeByT, and welcome to week 2 of Me Made May. Today is Sunday, May 8th, and it is Mother's Day. I had a lot of footage of me wearing my make. However, I am using a different camera and I don't know how I did it, but I lost some footage. So what I will do is insert a clip of what the garment that I wore on Mother's Day looked like. I made Vogue 1701 as my contribution for the hashtag SoMaxi for Mother's Day, and that is exactly what I did. I wore my make for the Mother's Day challenge on Mother's Day. So Vogue 1701, which is what I am wearing, features a high stand-up collar, and this is a statement collar, which is why I made this as my contribution. I really love how high the collar stands up, how it stands out, and I love the gathers in the front, and I love the gathers in the back. I love the length of this top and just everything about it. Hello everyone, happy Monday to you. It is Monday, May 9th. We actually have another beautiful day, so I'm going to soak that in and take it all. But yeah, it is Monday, the day after Mother's Day. I am at work, I am on my break, and thought I'd come in here and share with you what I am wearing. I am wearing a make that I made a long time ago, like towards the beginning of my sewing journey. I made New Look 6525. I absolutely love it. When I made it kind of big, but I wore it anyway. And I wore it a lot, like when I got pregnant with my 4-year-old. I wore it when I got pregnant with my 2-year-old, and I've just been wearing it ever since. I like it. It fits. It's very stretchy. When I made it, like I said, I made it too big, so in order to be able to wear it, I did have to put like a couple of darts in the back, so that it just didn't look like super sloppy. But yeah, that was the only adjustment that I made with this. The ruffles that are on the bottom tier that you'll see in the minute here aren't the best, but like I said, I had just started sewing, but it's not so bad to where I won't wear it. I did pair this with some gray leggings and my little scarf here, and then my shoes. I was supposed to wear gray shoes that look like the shoes I have on, but I was rushing, trying to get out of the house, and I couldn't find them, so this is what I have on. So yeah, that is my make for today, and I will show you how I look in it. See you tomorrow. Hello everyone, Talisha here. It is yet another beautiful day, thank God, here where I am. Great weather. But yeah, I came on to tell you a little bit about the weather and tell you what I'm wearing today. I am wearing McCall 7561, I believe. I'll put it in the screen just in case I got it wrong. But I made this a while back. This is just a jersey knit that I had purchased back, it was some time ago. I purchased this fabric from Hobby Lobby, and then I made this maxi dress just like all the other dresses that I have worn so far within this Me Made May. I made this way too big, but I can fit it now. I typically wear this with like a belt, a wide obi type belt. Sometimes I wear it loose if I don't want to deal with that, but today I've been wearing it with both the belt, and then sometimes I've been taking it off. I am at work. I was doing a lot of walking today, so I did my flats on, but that was the only reason why. But normally I kind of wear like heels with this, like a short heel. But yeah, that's what I'm wearing today, and I will give you the full view. Hello everyone, it's another beautiful day, and actually we're gonna have great weather for the rest of the week, so I don't really have to say that anymore, but I'm just super excited about it because we don't get this good weather all the time, but I'm so grateful. Anywho, it is Wednesday, May 11th, and I'm sure you probably recognize what I'm wearing. I am wearing my So Maxi for Mother's Day contribution that I made for this the So Maxi for Mother's Day post, which is the last post that I just made on Sunday. And I used Vogue 1701 and I made View A, which is the sleeveless version. I am on my lunch hour, decided to not leave. I normally leave because I can run errands and get a lot of stuff done. So I just ordered a burger from the cafeteria and I forgot to tell them what I want on there. Anywho, but I am getting ready to, like I said, eat. And I stayed here because I just really didn't feel like running around, and I don't really have anywhere in particular I need to go. But like I said, when I do run my errands during the lunchtime, I get a lot accomplished because I live in a smaller town, so everything is pretty close. And my job is close to my home. Stores are close to my home. Joanne is close, but I don't need to go there. So, yeah. But anywho, that's what the deal is. And I will go ahead and show you what I'm wearing as if you didn't just see it, but I'll show you anyway. Hello everyone, Talisha here, also known as CreativiTeeByT. Today is Thursday and it is May 12th of Me May Made, yes. And it is so nice outside. I just got off work and I just thought I would stop and sit at the park, take a little bit of this in. Yes, I am absolutely enjoying this weather, and I think I will take the boys to the splash pad later on. But before I go to the splash pad, I wanted to show you my outfit because I will not be wearing my outfit to the splash pad. I'll have to put on something that's more suitable for getting wet. But today I am wearing a circle skirt that I made. I actually self-drafted this circle skirt maybe 2-3 years ago, maybe more like 2, and I used a tutorial from Erin of Style So Me. She has a tutorial on how to self-draft a circle skirt. Now I could have used a pattern, but at that particular time I didn't have a pattern and I really wanted to make this skirt, so that is what I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what my skirt looks like, and yeah, then I'll be back on here tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on Friday. Hello everyone, Talisha here, also known as CreativiTeeByT. Thank you so much for tuning in today of Me Made May Day 13. Yes, we have made it to Friday the 13th. Been a really, really nice day. Look at the sky. I am totally enjoying this beautiful weather. It is at the end of my workday, so I look a little rough, but I am wearing a dress today. This is a simplicity dress that I made a long time ago, and I actually never did a review on it because I did not like how it came out. Honestly, I still don't like it, but I wear it because I don't know, I made it, right? I don't think it's the worst, but It was one of those dresses that when I saw it on the pattern cover, I was like, I gotta make it, I gotta make it. And it was just not like, it wasn't that. It was not that once I finished. But I will show you what it is by modeling it. And I'll also find the pattern cover. I do not know the name of the pattern. I can't remember the pattern number or anything. I tried to Google it by searching in the description of what it is. It's an asymmetrical knit dress, but I can't find it. However, I do know that I included it in my yearly roundup video, so I will find that video and watch it so that I can get the pattern number. I do believe it is an out of print pattern, because even when I searched the dresses through Simplicity, I could not find this. So but yes, it is a Simplicity pattern. Made it last year, like closer to the fall, and it just, I was drawn to it because of the asymmetrical hemline. It's very drastic, and it also has this midriff piece thing going on. Totally not even necessary unless you want a color block. But yeah, just didn't do anything for me. Wasn't a fail, just didn't do anything for me. The fabric that I used was a bundle from Walmart, so I think it was like a $4 bundle. So yeah, it's my $4 dress. I don't love it. But that's what I'm wearing, and I'll see you Saturday. And before I go, I want to show you how I shoot some pool. Hello everyone, Talisha here, also known as CreativiTeeByT. Today is Saturday the 14th of May, and I am wearing my Simplicity 8379 hip bag dress. I am actually at a track field because on Saturdays I take my 4-year-old to a track practice so that he can learn like little basic skills with sports, because we are a sports family. So I want him to get started early. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. I'll go ahead and let you see what my dress looks like. I actually just had to switch spots and take cover under the building where the track is located. It's located at a school. But yeah, I am wearing my Simplicity 8379, and I'm at a track because on Saturdays we take our son to a track practice so that he can kind of get acclimated with sports, and that is what I'm doing today. And so I am going to show you what my dress looks like. Yeah, I'm under the cover because of the rain. Oh, the rain just came out of nowhere, but at least there's somewhere where I can keep dry. So here's my outfit. Now, I really like this dress, but the one problem that I have is not necessarily with the dress, it's with this fabric, is that I said in my pattern review for this that the fabric runs as if it were like a pantyhose. And so I have several runs now in this dress that actually ruins it. So I wouldn't feel comfortable like wearing it for like a date night or anything like that. I would basically just have to wear it for things like this. Track meets, a day that I just need to keep cool, but I don't want to look extra fancy, because I feel like the runs are extremely noticeable, especially like if another person that's into fashion is looking, they're gonna see it. But I'll show you what those runs look like. So it's at the bottom of the dress, there's runs here, Just run there.
Yeah, and I'm not really sure how it happened. Obviously it snagged something, but like when, you know? So yeah, but that is my outfit for today.
Come on! Thank you for watching Me Made May Week 2, 2022.